Hey guys, and welcome back to Stellara Craft. I am Stellara, and today I wanted to take you on a little tour of the Halloween decor that I've put up in my house. I got really excited earlier in the month and just kind of exploded Halloween all over my house, and unfortunately I had some computer problems, so I wasn't able to really film a bunch of DIYs, although I did do my Halloween door wreath, so that's the last, not the last video? That is a recent video that I've posted. I'm not sure what order I'm posting things. But that's a recent video that I've posted, and so if you want to check that out, I will put a link up for you. But I didn't want to let the computer problems get in the way, so I decided to do a little Halloween decor tour. And so I can show you guys some of the stuff that I did around my house. There's a lot of very, very easy, quick Halloween fixes. And so I wanted to take you on a little tour so that maybe you could get inspired and do some of these things in your home. So I'm going to turn the camera around and we will get started. Alright guys, that is it for my Halloween home tour decor tour? For my Halloween home decor tour. There you go. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it gave you some inspiration for things that you can do in your own home. If you have any questions about any of the DIYs or you'd like me to go into more detail, just let me know. I'd be happy to either, kind of type out some directions or maybe film a short video to show you how to do specific things if you have questions. But I really hope you liked it. I hope it has helped you get some inspiration for things that you want to do in your own home. And I will see you next time. I love you. Bye.